Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your document and making a backup. This keeps you safe if a replace goes too far. Next, enable Show/Hide so you can see spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks. Once visible, scan a few spots to confirm the issue is extra spaces between sentences, not stylistic line breaks. Now press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace, because the fastest fixes use targeted replaces rather than manual editing. In Find and Replace, enter 2 spaces in Find and 1 in Replace, then replace all. This handles most double space after period cases. If spacing varies, check use wildcards and search for 2 and replace with \1 followed by a single space. This preserves punctuation and reduces multiple spaces. For blank paragraph issues, replace PP with P until no changes occur. Make sure to review a few replacements so you don't alter intentional formatting. Once spacing characters are corrected, fix paragraph spacing. Select the text or press Ctrl+A, open paragraph settings, set spacing after to 0 pt, and choose single line spacing so sentences sit tightly. If gaps persist, replace non-breaking spaces by finding S and replacing with regular spaces. Finally, save and recheck the document visually. If misreplacements occurred, undo, restore the backup, and apply more targeted replaces using punctuation-aware patterns to avoid altering abbreviations or lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.